It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, we are going to do this recyclable jar for Mother's Day or any occasion. And it's got a little bit of a technique. I have a video earlier showing how to make these flowers all out of polymer clay. And so let's get started. All right, first of all, I'm going to show you the jar I use. I don't have an empty one right now, so I'm going to show you. I use the ragu. I like the shape of it. So it's a ragu jar of sauce. And so anyways, it looks like this. And then we took the lid off, the label, and cleaned it all off. So I'll move that out of the way. All right, the second stage is I took a template made out of parchment paper. I folded it in half, cut it like a heart, and it looks like that. And as you can see, I used this twice. I taped it on like this, right? Then I literally painted the whole thing around it, not moving it. And then when I took it off, I painted in here where the tape lines were. And I was very careful, and you're gonna have to take your time. Since it's glass, it takes a while to dry. So you have to do one coat, let it sit, another coat, let it sit, another coat, let it sit. And I think I did at least 4 coats on this to make it look that good. And this is the way I am. I like finishing the bottom and the top. So I even painted the bottom because I noticed that the light was shining through and I didn't like that. So 3-4 coats, painted, let it dry in between each coats, okay? And the next thing, what I did was, I have a video showing how to make these flowers, and that's why I did it separate, because the video would take too long. So I made the flowers up. They're polymer clay, and I have another one here, right here. And literally, like this. Let's see if you can see that. I put it right down here. You take some glue, a tacky glue, put it on here, and put it here, and let it sit like this to dry. It's going to take a while, like that. When it's dry, again, it'll look like this. So at that stage, after we got all that done and painted, I came across and I wrote the word Mom, because it was for Mother's Day, or you could put whatever you want. You could put stickers here. You could put for Dad, change the colors out, do whatever you like, okay? And then I used, it's a chalk marker, and I literally, I'm going to show you. I don't think on camera it's a little hard to make it exactly even, but I kind of like went here, down, up, down, added a little notch here, a curl, and a curl. Now this is not dark enough. If you want, like this original one I did, then you take acrylic white paint and use a paintbrush and paint over top of that to make it even deeper in tone so you really can see it. So now we got the flowers on and all painted. Then I find any kind of twine, but I really like this rope. I had that in my stash, and I tied so it wouldn't fray. I tied a knot on each end, as you can see. Then we're gonna go wrap around it twice. Okay, I'm gonna tie a little knot in it, and I like the look of this on to the sides. Now again, you can do anything you want. Switch it up, put it in the middle, side, whatever you want. You don't even have to have a heart. I just like the heart because I think of my mother and how much I love her. So this is why I did the heart. So now the inside, I don't want to make a big mess, but we're going to try doing it in front of the camera. It's a little messy, but I put rice in here, long grain rice. Now again, you could use anything you want. You could use sand. It's just what I had around the house. And see, like I said, it makes a heck of a mess. So pick this up, put the rest in there. There. Okay, so let's get a little more. Now, like this one, I'll put them beside each other so you can see that. I used a real candle, and I was going to light it, but if kids are doing this, because this is a job that would be fairly simple, replace this with stickers or whatever you want. I decided, for the kids' sake, and I don't want anybody to get hurt, there is a little candle, a battery operated candle. Now, it's a little awkward to put it in this jar, but I'm going to use these tweezers And put that down here. And see? Just as lovely and less dangerous. The candles are for somebody older doing this. Let's see if I can put it. Is it there? Okay. So see? A little shorter. There is battery operated candles that are a little higher like this. I just didn't have it. But I would probably put that a little higher candle. But anyways, or for older people, a nice scented candle would be really pretty. So there you have it. And after we're done at this stage, I'm going to move this down here, and I took this Mosh Podge. You do not have to use it if you don't want to, but you put this over like this, spray it and seal it all in, and it should last a lot longer. Maybe take the ribbon off first, but spray the whole thing and make it look really nice. You can have it glazy or dull or whatever you want to do. That's strictly up to you. And the same with the flowers. This one I didn't coat, but these flowers have a glaze over top of it. I used polymer clay glaze. Then I glued them on, and then I sprayed the whole thing and kind of watched the heart part so I didn't spray anything on the glass. Okay, there you have it. Now, I found on Instagram at Nana's Cooking and Craft Corner where I've done some other craft ideas that I'll probably plan on filming. So have a look. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed it, this video. I hope you give it a try. I hope you subscribe, like, and comment. And if you'd like, send me in a picture of the craft that you actually did. You know, changing it up a little. Do it whatever you like. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.